me, numbers never lie.
This kind of intro videos are trending on Instagram right now. Let's see how to create this.
First, connect to a VPN. I've added the VPN I personally use. Along with CapCut Pro, check the link in the description. Once your VPN is connected, open CapCut. Here, select the template option. Now go to the search bar and type Introduction Video. You'll see lots of trending intro templates. Choose the one you like. All of them follow the same process. If you want this type of intro, just select this template. If you want this type of intro, just select this template. If you want this type of intro, just select this template. I personally selected this template. Tap Use Template, then select your video and hit Next. CapCut will automatically generate your intro. If you want to change the text, just tap on the text layer at the bottom and edit it. To change the audio, tap on the audio section and choose your preferred sound. Once everything is ready, tap Export and select Export without watermark. Your video will be saved directly to your mobile.
If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me to create more videos like this. Thank you.